morning everyone and welcome to the second day of Vlogmas. Today is a Saturday, which means it's a work day, which means I'm not happy because as much as work is so fun, it's a whole 8 hours of my life in work and I don't really want to do that. But anyway, today's the 2nd of December, so let's see what we get. Oh my god, we got a whole coin thingy. Oh yeah, I've got an hour until I have to leave for work. My car is frosted and my room is not clean, so I'm going to try and do a bit of cleaning now. I'll finish it later on because my room is a mess. I'll show you my room right now. And I'll also show you my car because it's it's frosted and I'm hoping that it's going to defrost by the time I have to go because I don't want to defrost it. I don't know. It's just everything is a lot of effort today. And I'm not really feeling it. And I'm working like every single day next week, so it's just not looking good. But yeah, let's get to cleaning. Let's hope it's gonna be a good day in work. It's gonna be busy, so hopefully it'll fly. It'll be fine. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's my car right there. As you can see, there's still a little bit of ice, and I don't know if that's still ice or not, but I say it'll be grand in an hour. Do not judge, but this is my room right now. It's actually embarrassing. It's such a mess. So we're gonna try and just clean this up and see what we get to in an hour. Okay, so real quick, I got this side of my room done. So I've got all the dust in. It all looks clean and perfect. Ta-da! And then this side of the room, I'm gonna take care of when I'm home, and then I'll hoover tomorrow, and I'll decorate my room tomorrow, so you can expect that. But I gotta zoom to work in my car. We're about to drive off to work. It's a little cold, as you can tell. I'm wearing a Christmas sweater today because it's December. What my seatbelt going? But yeah, I don't know. Don't even know what I was gonna say. I'm happy I kind of started to clean my room because it's never been this messy before. I honestly have no excuse other than college and it getting really hectic recently because November is a big one for students. I don't have exams in my course, however I did have a lot of projects and all, so hence why I just didn't have time. I was up and down in college all the time. But yeah, I'm on my way to work now. Hopefully there's a parking spot. I'm meeting up with Edie before to grab a coffee because we're working the same hours today. 8 hours. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll be fun. Hate this turn. But yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be fun. We'll see how it goes. I'll talk to you guys when I'm with Edie and then on break, and then when I'm back I have to finish cleaning off my room because if I don't I'll actually be annoyed at myself. We're gonna start some assignments and I would like to restart my gym membership because I haven't been since like summer, honestly. Thing is, I got stitches done, so I wasn't allowed in the gym for a few months. Why is this girl not going? There's no one at the roundabout. But yeah, I got stitches done, so I wasn't allowed in the gym, and now I think it's been around 6 months-ish, so I'd be allowed back in the gym, which is why I'm going to restart my membership. And it's going to be so nice because I can drive to the gym and I don't have to get the bus in the cold or bother my parents or Sarah's parents to drive us down because me and Sarah go together. I have to text her and see if she'll start the membership with me because I don't want to go alone and I don't like going to the gym alone. It just doesn't hit the same. But yeah, gym. I also would like to book my hair because I texted the hairdresser. She hasn't gotten back to me, so I don't know. I might have to book somewhere else, which is quite annoying because she did Andrea's hair and she did like a really good job with the blondes. So I might either text Andrea and being like, hey, maybe see, because it's just a girl that has her own like hair salon, so she could be weird about new customers. So I might text Andrea to text her for me and get a spot that way because Andrea did say it's hard to book in with her. So we'll get that sorted later on. We'll get the gym sorted. I'd also like to start bi-ab with my nails because this is what they're looking like. So not cute. And if I start now, by summer they'll be lawn and they'll be my own, and I won't have to do acrylics. And I don't even mind, I think it's like 50 a month to get biab done, but then I'd have really, really nice nails all the time, and like, this is just embarrassing. And I want to be one of them girls that has their nails and lashes done all the time and hair done, like everything on fleek, but I'm just not. So I better start working on that, because my plan is to glow up before college next year. So yeah, no, I'm not going to do lashes, because I don't know, they were never my thing. I get them done, like I do them myself when I'm going out, so I'll just keep doing that. I don't need lashes done, but I want to get my hair and nails done and go back to the gym before college. And then I'd also like to restart my, refresh my wardrobe is the way to say it, before college, but that's going to be later on in the new year, most likely. But yeah, a lot of booking to do today, a lot of things to get done, 8 hours in work though, which I don't know what it is, but I feel like I'd be more productive at home. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. It'll be fun, I'm sure. Now I'm just stressed about getting a parking spot, because it is currently 12 o'clock and it's a Saturday, so traffic is always insane, and the pavilions is always really, really busy, because I work in retail, so, and I don't want to pay for parking. So I'm gonna try to done and get parking for free at an estate, but it is usually packed, so fingers crossed. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Couldn't park, but look at that. I actually think I did pretty good after like 10 minutes. I have just gotten off work and I am feeling dead. As you can see, my mascara is running because I was closing with my friend Edie, and we're just too funny. We had an hour where the shop was just closed and we were just like trying to clean up, because Saturdays get so busy, like insanely busy. So sorry, the lighting is probably so shit, so I'll say this real quick, but yeah, it was so busy, so we had an hour to just clean up, and we were like cracking the biggest jokes. It was so fun. But yeah, on my way to my car now. Gonna drive home, eat, clean, shower, and see if I do any assignments. I know that I'm meant to be looking up, oh, I'm crossing the road and there's a car. I know I'm meant to be looking up Galway and holiday options, so we might do that instead of assignments today. I just got home and my parents are opening their advent calendar. My mom's in like a silly goofy mood right now.
This is my first advent calendar. Woohoo! See?
Did I open it? Oh, I did open it today. Dad, what did you get? Oh my god. Dad, are you gonna open number 2 in Maltesers, Mama? Are you gonna yeah. My dad is struggling.
Welcome. Really delicious.
What did you get? Nice. Your hair looks nice.
Thank you so much. Because I am very nice.
Okay. What did you get, Tata?
I don't know how it's for English. I'm gonna check.
Oh, a bell.
A bell.
In English. And then my... Oh, show me Tata flinch. Yum. Which one's better, Mum? Mama, which one's better?
Me?
Maltesers? Okay, Dad is struggling again.
Welcome, Papa. There's a belko. Oh, Santa.
Well, there we go. Work 1, Patricia 0. Let me put it that way. I don't know how else to say it. I'm like actually defeated. But I'm watching Squid Games right now, and I'm gonna have a pretzel. I love pretzels. And then I'm gonna finish cleaning this side of my room, and I think I'm literally gonna sleep. I will let you know though what I do, but I'm just kind of resting for now because I can't, and I have the whole day tomorrow, so I don't really have to do anything today. All my assignments, like the ones that I have left, I have so much time to do them. I can look for Galway or whatever, holidays, whatever. Tomorrow I can organise everything tomorrow. today I just need a break. I was so dead in work. It was insane. But Sarah and my parents visited me in work today, which was great because they both brought me caffeine, which I needed. But like it didn't help. Like I'm still so tired. And my legs are so sore because standing for 8 hours is just not fun. Guys, I have finished cleaning my room. I'm gonna change batteries tomorrow when I'm doing my Christmas decorations because there's lights going across all of these. I am also about to order new pictures for my room because these are all old. I am gonna change my whole bed to make it more Christmassy tomorrow, but everything is clean. As you can tell, I'm watching the new Squid Games, which are so good. Sorry, I have to be quiet because my parents are sleeping. But do watch these Squid Games. It's the challenge on Netflix and they're so good. It's like with all real people. So if you like the first Squid Games, you will love this. And if you didn't like the first Squid Games, you will probably like this because it's a reality competition. So it's really cool. But anyway, I'm gonna go to bed now. And I'm gonna get ready for tomorrow. There's a lot of things happening tomorrow. So I'm really excited. By the way, me and Sarah booked Biab for this month, so that's gonna be happening soon. I'm also excited for that, and yeah, I'll tell you more about it tomorrow. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog, where we'll be doing a lot of decorating. But yeah, good night, or if you're watching this during the day, enjoy your day, and I will see you guys later. Mwah.